Imagine stepping into your living room in 2025. Gone are the traditional couches and coffee tables. Instead, you see sleek, modular furniture that seamlessly adapts to your needs. Plants trail from the ceiling and smart lighting adjusts to your mood. This is just a glimpse of what's in store for living rooms in the coming years. Today we're diving into the top living room design trends of 2025. Before we dive in, give this video a like. And if you're new here, subscribe for weekly inspiration. Let's get started. Number 1. Living room trends. A blend of modern and natural. We're seeing a shift towards biophilic design, which integrates nature into living spaces. Think about it. After the events of the last few years, our appreciation for the outdoors has grown. Biophilic design isn't just about adding a few plants to your living room. It's about creating a connection with the natural world. This trend is all about bringing the outside in. Imagine large windows that flood your living room with natural light or walls adorned with living green. Plants will play a significant role, not just for decoration, but to purify the air and create a sense of tranquility. Natural materials like wood and stone will dominate, giving a warm and earthy feel. Number 2. The rise of multifunctional spaces. The lines between work, entertainment, and relaxation are blurring. The living room of 2025 will adapt to your needs. This means furniture that doubles as storage, fold-away desks for remote workers, and lighting that can set the perfect ambiance for any activity. For instance, a sofa that can transform into a guest bed or a coffee table that lifts up to reveal a workspace. This trend is driven by our fast-paced, tech-driven lives, where flexibility and efficiency are key. The living room of 2025 is all about adaptability. Number 3. Sustainable style. The focus on sustainability seen in recent years will be more prominent than ever. This means being mindful of the materials used in furniture, decor, and even paint. Upcycled or recycled materials will be a popular choice, reflecting a global shift towards eco-consciousness. This trend encourages us to consider the origin and impact of the products we bring into our homes. Locally sourced materials and handcrafted furniture will also gain traction, supporting both the environment and local artisans. This trend is more than just a passing fancy. It's a call to action for a more sustainable and conscious way of living. 4. The power of personalized design. With the rise of 3D printing and user-friendly design tools, creating a truly unique living space will be at your fingertips. This means custom-made furniture, lighting, and even wall coverings designed to fit your space and style perfectly. 3D printing will allow for intricate designs that were previously impossible to execute on a large scale. This trend is about self-expression. It's your chance to unleash your creativity and design a living room that's a true reflection of your personality. Living room trends. A final thought. While trends in interior design come and go, the desire for a comfortable, functional, and stylish living space remains constant. The living room of 2025 offers an exciting vision of modern living, balancing functionality, sustainability, and personalization. Whether you're drawn to the natural elements of biophilic design, the smart technology of voice-activated systems, or the endless possibilities of 3D printing, there's a trend here for everyone. Remember, your living room should be a reflection of your personal style and needs. So, as you look to the trends of 2025, consider how you can incorporate them into your living space to create a beautiful, sustainable, and uniquely yours. If you're already incorporating some of these trends into your living room design, share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you're making your living spaces more sustainable, smart, or simply more reflective of your personal style. Also, let us know which of these trends you're most excited about. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.